if you are a YouTuber that gets a lot of views on your YouTube shorts, then you need to start connecting your YouTube shorts to your long form videos. Because if you are not connecting your YouTube short to your long form videos, then you are sleeping on a very huge update. Because we all know that YouTube shorts cannot make a lot of money here on YouTube. The only videos that make a lot of money is the long form videos. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a trick that can help you get a lot of views on your long form videos so that you can make much more money here on YouTube. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Although I'm not a fan of shorts, and the reason why I'm not a fan of shorts is because I'm not actually chance to post shorts, because I upload 2 long form videos every day. So if I'm to start adding shorts to that, I'm going to burn out and start getting tired, because it's going to be too hard, or rather too stressful for that. But if you're a YouTube creator that is already uploading shorts, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to connect your YouTube shorts to your long form videos and merging both of them together, so that traffic, or rather your viewers, will be able to move from your shorts to your YouTube video. So that's what I'll be showing you guys on this video. So I'm going to pick up my phone right now and show you guys how to do that real quick. Now, after uploading any shorts on your YouTube channel, simply go to your YouTube Studio app on your mobile phone and then go to content. Once you've gotten here, you are going to see the section for shorts. So once you get here, let me say, for example, let me say this is the short that I uploaded, this one at the top. So all I have to do is just edit the short. So while editing the short, you are going to click on show more. Then you are going to see this place that says related video. Simply click on that place and choose any long form video that is actually connected to that specific short video. So once you pick that video, all you have to do is click on save. The reason why you are doing this is because when people are watching your video, rather your short is getting view, it is better that your viewers will be able to click a link below that short and watch the long form video, so that you can make much more money, or rather get much more revenue from your YouTube shorts. So if you are a YouTube creator and you are always uploading shorts often, stop allowing that your traffic on your short, or rather your views on your short, to be going to waste. Always make sure to come here and connect a long form video to that short, so that the traffic from the short can always move to that your long form video. Because a lot of people, some of them, they are lucky, they even get up to 100,000 views on their YouTube shorts, and they are not connecting it to long form videos. So what's the use of these views? Although yes, you can get subscribers from shorts, but you're not making money from it. So always make sure that you are connecting it to a long form video, so that when that traffic is pouring in on your shorts, it's going to be moving from your shorts to your long form video. Then your long form video will be getting views, and also you'll be making much more revenue here on YouTube. So make sure that you guys are doing that while uploading your shorts. Apart from uploading valuable content here on YouTube so you can start getting better views, there are 6 important settings that you need to turn on your channel right now to increase the visibility of that your YouTube channel. So if you like to find out about those settings, then watch this video to find out on those 6 settings so you can apply it on your channel and increase the views and visibility on your YouTube channel. I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video, you might see some of my similar videos, or you might see some of my playlists, so you can also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.